So this is number 10. Number 10 says points O and C are OC and P are collinear, which means they're all on the same line. They give you the endpoints and you're trying to find C. So let's talk about that. So what this is saying is that you want to start with P and find a point C somewhere on this line, somewhere on the line that breaks this line up from 3 parts to 8 parts. Okay. And so we need to figure out what the parts mean. So look at OP. So OP is your whole entire line. That means that we need to break this line, this whole line, into 8 parts. So we need to take OP and break it into 8 parts. And what you're going to do is find your slope. So you're going up 16 and over 8. And you need to break that into 8 sections. So that means you're going to change your slope to up 2 and over 1. And that's going to allow you to get your 8 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you have your 8 different parts. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Okay, so then you have to find your point. And you have to make sure that you read exactly what it's saying. So this is saying starting at P, you need to find C so that it's 3 of those parts. So starting at P, 1, 2, 3 parts. So that is your C. So your C is at -5, +2. All right. Next one, number 11, gives us the points 10, 11, and -2, -7. So 10, 11, -2, -7. What are they? G and H. So graph your points, draw a line through them. Okay. And then this one kind of goes backwards. It's saying in part A that we know that Z is at 6,5. So we're going to go plot Z at 6,5. All right, and then it's asking us what ratio did we break that into if we're talking about GZ to ZH. So GZ to ZH, G to Z and Z to H, that is part to part. It's not talking about part to whole this time. So you have a part. So let's go ahead and use that part and see if it works. So it goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and over 4. So keep splitting it up that way. So 6 and over 4, 6 and over 4. And it splits it into 3 equal parts. So then it's asking you, how is that separated? Well, it's 1 part, GZ is 1 part, and ZH is 2 parts. So it's 1 to 2. If you broke it up into these sections and you got 2 to 4, then that's also right, but you can reduce ratios or fractions. So 2 to 4 is equivalent to 1 to 2. So this is just your simplified answer. Okay, so then it's asking to split it up into 6 parts. So you do the same thing with your slope. You find your slope, you divide your slope by 6, and that's how you're going to get your 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it is asking, let's see, part B is asking for its HQ to GH. Oops. So this time we have HQ to GH. So HQ is part, and then once again, GH is whole. So when it's saying 1 to 6, that means we're breaking into 6 whole parts, which is why we want to divide it by 6. And then starting at H, we want one of those parts. So Q is going to be right here at 0, -4.